Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Finance Reviews. Today I'm going to review the newly launched product Affiliate Millionaire by none other than Andrew Fox and Thomas Owen. Andrew Fox is one of the biggest name in affiliate marketing industry, so yes, definitely this product is going to do well. So let's start with the video. And yeah, I want to tell you that this product is beginner friendly, so yes, you can definitely go for it. Affiliate Millionaire Mindset. Number 1, most important, know your number skill. You must know, otherwise you will struggle to ever to make a profit. The 40 by 20 by 20 diversification rule. I always use this to run my own affiliate campaigns. Once I applied this method, I always have constant winning campaigns coming in. How to understand the difference between high risk and low risk campaigns and what works the best for you. If you are interested in buying the product, then click on the link in the description box, plus you will get some special bonus related to affiliate marketing industry. Affiliate Millionaire is a simple 4-step cycle formula. First, pick the product. Second, drive traffic. Third, send to the landor. And fourth, collection. First, Module 1, research picking your hot proven offer. Finding the hottest niche verticals. How to legally spy actual hot offers affiliates are running. Which trusted affiliate networks have the highest payouts, best conversions, and have paid out on time for over 10 years on row. How to earn up to $203 commissions selecting the best funnels. The Holy Grail A-list offers playbook. Save hundreds of hours of your time by going through these proven offers. Second, Module 2, creating the perfect lender. The 3 types of lender that convert like crazy and you can run compliantly. Quiz, Splash, Block Style will show you exactly how. The exact 4 questions that boosted our click-through rate by 9% and were responsible for $37,956 in profit in 1 week. Block Style lender, which results in 400% cheaper click rates that Facebook love. The Splash page, which results in $1.73 EPCs, great, that nobody else uses. Module 3, funnel testing plus power tracking. Creating the optimal email follow-up sequence. Installing the pixel the right way to accurately track. Third, how to place your pixels with ClickBank's new system that no one is teaching yet to skyrocket conversion rates. The hidden golden standard of ad tracker that costs pennies on the dollars that shows the winning to 37% profitable campaigns. How to work with vendors to get the ultimate lookalike audience that some can get 1,000. If you are really interested in buying this product, then click on the link in the description box and some of the special bonuses are waiting for you there. Module 4, targeting plus campaign setup. First, targeting, campaign structure, audience targeting, the perfect testing formula, and daily ad spend. How to warm your ad account up using the German handshake method, which results in penny clicks on FB. Bonus, the untapped hidden traffic source for affiliate marketing. The perfect ad copy and creatives. Module 5, the secret outlets for the hottest converting images to use in your ads for as little as $5. Got a smartphone? How to create the ultimate ad in your own house for free, regular house items that everyone has. Screw expensive designers, the double conversion ad. How to use the #1 FB ad copywriters in the business. Module 6, launching the campaign. What is the best time to turn your campaign on, or it will burn your budget and leave you penniless? How to use the secret tracker to find out when to launch your campaign and get the best conversion. Day parting software, that's nice. Lifetime budget or daily budget, which wins? Find out the real answer. What is the optimal daily budget and number of days for testing a campaign to find the winner and cut the losers. That's good. So yes, this is the beginner friendly product Affiliate Millionaire. And Module 7, optimize and scale. How to study your winning campaign and scale fast using the SHAF quick fire method. Seeing the best time of days to run your ads and then leave them on autopilot. Moving winners into campaign budget. Optimization to scale fast. When and how to move to manual bidding to ensure you are getting targets of 200 to 300% return of investment. how to use the number one FB ad copywriters in the business, then repurpose the ad to generate 5 into 10 into variations. Yeah, there are some sales screenshot pixel screenshots. They're providing some bonuses too, like the Holy Grail A list offers playbook. Save hundreds of hours of your time by promoting these top converting offers plus higher commission payouts. How to save your FB accounts and get them back that 99% of affiliates have no clue about. Yeah, they are adding to affiliate billionaire club. Get access to our private group where you can ask questions with ourselves and other members. Here are some sales snapshots. So yes, if you're still watching this video, then do click on the link in the description box. There are some special bonus waiting for you which will definitely help you to enhance your affiliate marketing skills. So my final words for this product is that you can definitely go for this product if you really want to get big in affiliate marketing, because this product is made by Andrew Fox. He is one of the inspiration for many young affiliate marketers. So yes, I want to give this product a big thumbs up and you can definitely go for it.